ZTE Axon 11 5G unveiled with 6.47 AMOLED display, Snapdragon 765G and quad cameras. ZTE announced its third 5G-capable smartphone today with a brand new Axon 11 5G. It brings support for dual-mode 5G, SAW and NSA, thanks to the integrated modem found in the Snapdragon 765G SoC. A 4-camera array with a 6.4MP main shooter and a 4000 mAh battery wrapped in a sleek glass and aluminum frame topped with a competitive price tag. Up front we have a curved 6.47-inch FHD plus AMOLED display within a water drop notch for the 20MP selfie camera. The panel also comes with a built-in fingerprint scanner and sports a 19.59 aspect ratio. Around the back, the square setup hosts 4 cameras. The star of the show is a 6.4MP main shooter which is accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide snapper. The other 2 modules are 2MP macro cam and a 2MP depth helper. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset is paired with 6/8 of a gigabyte RAM and 128/256 of a gigabyte storage which can be expanded through the micro SD slot. The battery comes in at 4000 mAh and supports Quick Charge 4.0 Plus for fast top-ups. The software front is covered by ZTE's own My Favorite 10 based on Android 10. The ZTE Axon 11 5G will come in black and white colors. The base 6/128 of a gigabyte version will go for 2,698 Chinese yuan, which is around $380. There's also an 8/128 of a gigabyte spec for 2,998 Chinese yuan, which is around $420, and a top-of-the-line 8/256 of a gigabyte version for 3,398 Chinese yuan, $480. Pre-orders are already underway in China, while official sales start is yet to be confirmed. There is no word on an international rollout yet. Thanks for watching our video and I will see you in the next one.